Hey there, welcome to this video on how to write a script for a YouTube video. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, a well-crafted script is key to keeping your audience engaged and coming back for more. In this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks to help you write a script that captivates your audience and helps your channel grow. Tip 1. Know your audience. The first thing to keep in mind when writing a script is your audience. Who are you creating content for? What do they want to see? Understanding your audience will help you tailor your script to their interests and ensure they stay engaged. Tip 2. Structure your script. Next, let's talk about the structure of your script. A good script should have a clear beginning, middle, and end. The beginning should hook your audience and grab their attention, the middle should provide valuable information or entertainment, and the end should wrap things up and leave your audience feeling satisfied. Tip 3. Use emotion and humor. Another tip to keep in mind when writing a script is to use emotion and humor. People are more likely to remember content that made them feel something, so try to incorporate emotions like excitement, curiosity, or even surprise into your script. And if it fits with your content, adding a touch of humor can go a long way in keeping your audience engaged. Tip 4. Keep it simple. Finally, when writing your script, keep it simple. Avoid using overly complex words or jargon that your audience might not understand. Keep your sentences short and to the point, and try to use language that is easy to follow. This will ensure your audience stays engaged and doesn't get lost in a sea of confusing information. So, there you have it, some tips and tricks for writing a script for a YouTube video. Remember to keep your audience in mind, structure your script, use emotion and humor, and keep it simple. With these tips, you'll be on your way to creating captivating content that will keep your viewers coming back for more. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.